Hello, this is Richard Wilson of the Family Office Club, coming to you from downtown Philadelphia. I'm in a lunch break at one of our workshops we're hosting inside the Family Office Club. And I recorded a short video on a talk I gave in front of 90 single-family offices yesterday. And it is that my clients are drowning in normal. They have average types of investment firms approaching them all the time with average structures, with normal fees, with average value offerings, normal deal origination processes, and they're looking for the anomaly. They're looking for the 3 standard deviations out that's hard to find, that's more direct, that's more efficient, that's more strategic, that's more value for them and their portfolio. So just encourage everyone who is looking to co-invest with other families, get superior deal flow for your family office, or get superior investor traction for your investment firm, to be not normal in a way that's very meaningful to the type of group you're trying to attract. I think it would help make the whole industry more efficient, and this consistently comes up at all of our family office summits and capital raising workshops. This is Richard Wilson. I hope to see you at one of our live events. Check out the schedule. Please visit familyoffices.com.